Welcome to C-Note Tax Solutions. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of submitting your tax filing application through our secure online portal. It's easy and secure. Let's get started. First, visit the C-Note Tax Solutions portal. If you are an existing user, enter your registered username and password in the Login section and click Login. You will receive a one-time password OTP in your registered email. Enter the OTP to securely access your account. If you are a new user, click on Create Account and complete the registration process before proceeding. Once you are logged in, go to the navigation menu and click on Services. Select the File Your Taxes option, then click Start New Filing. Choose the tax year for which you want to file your return. After selecting the year, review your basic information, make any necessary changes, and click Proceed. Next, fill out the taxpayer profile information, including your province of residence and marital status as of December 31st, 2025. Continue by completing the basic income information section. Make sure all answers are accurate, then click Save. Similarly, complete the basic deduction information section and click Save. Next is the additional information section. Go through all the questions carefully and click Save once completed. Afterward, you will reach the confirmation section. Review all the information provided carefully. Check the acknowledgement box and click Save. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your personal tax return application through C-Note Tax Solutions. Your assigned tax accountant may contact you for clarification or verification if needed. Additionally, if you would like to apply for newcomer benefits, need to file HST returns with the CRA, apply for Canada Child Care benefits, or require immigration or financial services, you can access these services through the respective tabs.